Hello dear students, welcome to Geography class, Chapter 1, our environment for class 7, part 7. Okay student, in previous part, we have completed about environment. And also we have completed the environment is divided into two categories, natural environment and human environment. And also we have completed components of the environment. There are three components, means components of environment dividing in three categories. One is natural, second is human made and third is human. And also you have learnt in previous class the natural environment in the means they are dividing in 5 layers. So about atmosphere also means they are dividing in some layers, right? 4 layers. So our first layer is atmosphere, second is lithosphere and third is hydrosphere and fourth biosphere. But you have completed in previous part about atmosphere. In atmosphere you have learnt about that 5 layers. So first layer is what? Means troposphere. Second layer is stratosphere. And third layer is mesosphere, fourth is thermosphere and fifth is exosphere. So about this all you have learnt in previous class. And today's part is there hydrosphere. So hydrosphere, it is made up of water. Hydrosphere is made up of water. By example, it is made up of glaciers, ice caps. See here again the rain is present, that is a rainwater. Means rainwater also present in rain only coming that. Ocean, seas, and also lakes, rivers and underground water. These all places the water is covered, the earth is covered the water, means it is a hydrosphere. Hydrosphere located in the earth, so that is glaciers, ice caps, rainwater, ocean, seas, lakes, rivers, underground water. These all fields present the water. See student, the ice water, glaciers, ice caps and snow. So here water exists here solid in state, it's a solid. And next see here ocean's water, seas and some river water, and also here that is rainfall. So existing here liquid in state. And what is gaseous state? So gaseous state, the water is here boiling. It is the boiling water. So when the boiled water is, so the water is evaporating, means here evaporating on the earth's surface. In atmosphere it has present that. You know that water cycle. So when seas and when oceans water, when they boiling, so it evaporating the water. Okay, so boiling water is coming in gaseous state. See a student, glaciers, ice caps, snow, these are in solid state. Oceans, seas, river, rainfall, so this is in liquid state, and gaseous is coming in boiling water. Okay, they have the three states. The water is exist in these three states. Okay, solid, liquid and gaseous. And see a student, so next one, about 71%, the 71%, the earth covered the water. The earth is covered with water. Covered with water. In 71%, the earth covered with the water, and 29% the land. The earth is covered that land. 71% water is there in the earth, and 29% land is present in the earth. And see here student, in 97% water, that is ocean water and seas water. Okay, so 97% water is present in the earth, ocean water and seas water. Okay, and this water it is not fit for drinking water because it is the marine water. So marine water means what? It is a salty water. It is not fit for human beings. Okay, so it is 97% ocean water and seas water covered in the earth's surface. And see here next one, remaining water, only 3% of water is a fresh water. Fresh water, it is fit for drinking. It is fit for drinking. Okay, in this water no saline is present here. Not saline is present here. Okay, it is a fit for drinking. And some major parts that glaciers and ice caps. Glaciers and ice caps, the water is covered here 69%. The water is covered here 69%. And some underground water is 30%. Underground water is here student 30%. Okay student, it is about hydrosphere. So once again I am explaining about this hydrosphere. Okay, see here student, in hydrosphere is made up of water bodies. It is made up of water bodies. Okay, and so it is in hydrosphere, the earth is covered at 71% water and 29% land. The earth is covered. Okay, and see here 97% is covered like oceans and seas water. It is the marine water. Means marine water means what? It is a salty water. So it is not fit for drinking for human beings, plants, animals, this all coming. And 3% water is here fresh water. It is fit for drinking. This 3% water is a fit for drinking. See here. Afterwards, glaciers, ice caps present in that water, exist in water that 69%, and underground water is present 30%. Okay, see a student, it is about hydrosphere. See here. So next, today's part is completed here in hydrosphere, and you make it correct points in your book, in your geography book. Okay, and next part I am explaining in next class. Thank you.